Hello everyone, hello guys, welcome to my garden. So guys, all you can see, there is already red tomato. I'm here at my garden, here at the rooftop. So guys, thank you Jesus. So guys, fresh na fresh guys, organic. So yan lang yung tinataniman natin mga paso. So beautiful. Again, tomato here. Cherry tomato. But still not ready. Still baby. So yun guys. Dapat masipag tayo. Ayan. Pag meron tayong itinanim, meron tayong aanihin. So yun guys. Dito lang yan sa rooftop. Ayan. So bali dyan lang yan siya nakatanim guys. Oh. Sa paso lang yan nakatanim. Tomato. Ayan guys. Ayan, natutuwa si amo pag nagtatanim tayo. Para makakain tayo ng fresh na fresh. Guys, oh. Another variety. So, different variety itong mga kamatis ko dito. Meron tayong papaya. And also here, tomato. Oh, wow. Amazing. Look at this. Wow. And guys, oh. Yes, tomato everywhere. And guys, tomato. So yan lahat guys, yung aking tanim na kamatis. Ayan. Doon. Dito at ito. So guys, thanks for watching.